Israel deploys Iron Beam laser for first time to melt Hezbollah rockets. Israel has just changed the way wars are fought by using a powerful laser called Iron Beam for the first time in real combat. On Monday, March 2, 2026, as Hezbollah fired a large group of rockets toward northern Israel, this new laser system was seen shooting them down using nothing but light. The system, also known as Oraton, meaning strong light, works by focusing a high-energy beam on a rocket or drone until it melts and explodes in midair. Unlike the famous Iron Dome, which uses expensive missiles to hit targets, the Iron Beam uses a silent, invisible laser that travels at the speed of light. One of the biggest advantages of this new weapon is how cheap it is to use. While a single Iron Dome interceptor missile can cost around $50,000, one shot from the Iron Beam laser costs only about $2, roughly the price of the electricity used to fire it. This means Israel can now stop hundreds of cheap rockets without spending millions of dollars or running out of defensive missiles. This means Israel can now stop hundreds of cheap rockets without spending millions of dollars or running out of defensive missiles. This means Israel can now stop hundreds of cheap rockets without spending millions of dollars or running out of defensive missiles. The Iron Beam doesn't replace the Iron Dome but works alongside it as an extra layer of protection. The Iron Dome will still handle larger, more dangerous missiles, while the laser takes care of the smaller, daily threats that Hezbollah often uses to overwhelm defenses. Military experts are calling this a game changer because it allows a country to defend itself almost for free once the machine is built. As long as there is a power source, the Iron Beam has an unlimited magazine, meaning it never runs out of ammunition during a long attack. However, the laser does have some weaknesses, such as not working as well in heavy fog, thick clouds, or dust storms. Because of this, Israel is using artificial intelligence to automatically choose the best weapon, laser or missile, depending on the weather and the type of threat. As the conflict with Hezbollah and Iran grows, the successful debut of the Iron Beam gives Israel a massive technological lead. The world is now watching closely as the era of shooting down missiles with light officially begins on the battlefield.